Assalamualaikum. I'm Damia Binti Manan. Now, I want to present company background, started the company history. The RB Highcom conducts automotive investment and the development of one of the Malaysia National Car Project and also become one of the top 3 companies of the Al-Bukhari Group. Next, there are 4 types of the company structure, started with the work specialization, department, span of control and centralization. For the core business, in automotive sector, the RB Highcom is fully integrated corporates in automotive supply chain. Second, services sector, the RB Highcom purchased the Post Malaysia Berhad and make the logistic business. Third, properties. The group has built a reputation for excellence integrated in properties such as the grand entrance to Proton City, Tanjung Malim. In automotive sector, recorded revenue of 8.03 billion ringgit. From the services sector, recorded revenue of 3.50 billion ringgit. And finally, real estate sector of 1.63 billion ringgit. And the group's profit before tax, PBT, was 540.1 million ringgit.
NURAIN Binti JAMALUDDIN. I will present about PHN Industries Sdn Bhd. PHN Industries Sdn Bhd is a leading manufacturing specialist for metal-based automotive components and dies manufacturer in Malaysia. PHN incorporated in October 1990, fundamentally through the best breed of technologies from Malaysia and Japan, alongside national car maker Proton Berhad and Mitsubishi Corporation. Actively involved in production of medium to large automotive components for major car maker RB Highcom Berhad, and it has 2 subsidiaries, namely the RB Highcom Mechatronics Sdn Bhd and Oriental Summit Industry. The board of directors comprised a reputable and successful corporate stalwart from diverse management background. PHN Industries Sdn Bhd is a leading Tier 1 manufacturer of automotive components in Malaysia and expanding into electrical and electronic industry. PHN specializes in metal stamping, robotic and manual welding assembly, modular assembly, round forming and die set design, and manufacturing also specializes in electrical and electronic device assembly. PHN also offers customers a full range mechanical press and welding service, including tailored welded blank, aluminium, high tensile steel and advanced high tensile material. PHN have 2,400 strong, highly skilled workforce that manufacturing the facilities in Shah Alam, Subang Jaya, Bukit Beruntung, Tanjung Malim, Melaka and Pekan.
My name is FATIN NABILA Binti EFFENDY. So today I will present my part, which is a CREM and the value elements that help the company. First is to increase value of asset. The majority of companies under the RB Highcom Group are situated in Malaysia's large city across the several states. Large city with a strategic property location is a great investment, as most of the property in the cities are high value, marketing and growth. Due to the company's numerous subsidiaries, particularly in the automotive sector, each subsidiary has been customized for particular brand. For example, PHN Industry Berhad is more focused on the Proton brand than on other brands. Because of that, the main office is located in Shah Alam, as it is strategically designed to be near to their target customer, which is Proton. Increase innovation. The establishment of the RB Highcom University is a way of increasing innovation targeted on the company employees. This university is an automotive university dedicated to developing talented professionals and educating and upgrading the skill and knowledge of the RB Group employees through a curriculum that combines theory and practice. Increase employee satisfaction. The main building of DRB Highcom is located in Shah Alam and has the access to nearest public transport, and Muamalat branch banking are in the same building. It is contribute to the employee satisfaction as it may find it's convenient to the employees.
My name is Kamen Singh. I will continue with the increased productivity. DRB Highcom provide environment that enhance productivity to the employee, encourage a corporate culture that foster sustainable practice and value in their business conduct, and comply with to increase the productivity. They also advocate socially responsible procurement practice with their supplier and vendor, encourage growth and development of local supplier and vendor through optimum use of local resources and material in order to increase the productivity. Next is increased flexibility. DRB Highcom provide human right and flexible workplace to the employee. It also manage employee welfare and well-being and promote workplace diversity in order to increase the flexibility. DRB Highcom also provide community development and social impact to the employee, which are contribute toward the welfare of the community in which the company operate in. Lastly is reduce cost. DRB Highcom launched a group-wide the cost reduction and optimization program for short during the Chief Executive Officer dialogue with a target of reducing operational costs by 20% within 2 years. It will see the implementation of a framework which will capture all costs and cost-related activities, as well as provide a standard reporting mechanism to monitor overall costs. It could help that DRB Highcom realize that its cost management go within the time frame set in order to reduce the cost.
For DRB Highcom SWOT analysis, the strength of DRB Highcom is the ability to invest. DRB Highcom intends to enter future growth category at the best possible investment levels. The reputation of the performance of the parent company. For the weakness, resources are unavailable. Various attempts were launched to improve its services across the board, with the refurbishment and replacement of outdated equipment and better management of its sources being among the most important. Engineer with no experience with armored vehicles. For the opportunity, there are two with a new technology is required. The goal of the DRB Highcom is to develop new and innovative solutions to meet the demands of the digital generation. The second is strategic collaboration. For the threat, there are two threats of the DRB Highcom, which is new competition, perhaps with the new products or services. Global rivalry is intensifying as are concerned about human capital allocation, development and retention. For the sale income is decreasing.
Next is potential for growth. It remains positive on DRB Highcom outlook on strong automotive sales growth, leveraging on the sales and service tax exemption and attractive model lineup. In order to deliver on their commitment, DRB Highcom will prioritize issues, establish plan for action with clear growth, and monitor their performance. By delivering on their commitment toward sustainable development, DRB Highcom endeavor to be the best company to have as a supplier, investor, employer, partner, and neighbor. DRB Highcom has its own sustainability mission to ensure that business activity of the core sector align with the expectation of their stakeholder, while also enhancing the long-term value of the company through sustainable initiative. That is all for our group. Thank you.